Hello everyone, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and once more I would like to welcome you to our weekly results for our live trading room. We will start with CAD CHF. All these pairs were in our watch list for the trades accordingly, and we said that we had a trend continuation. We saw price breaking our support area, creating a lower low, retracing till our combined resistance area, and as soon as we saw our opportunity, we had the retracement to our profit zone, of course. According to the rules, entry APO was 20-30 pips. Price has already moved 200 pips. Incremental profits on the support area. As always, first and second target easily met, and with our incremental profits, we had plenty of pips. First and second target, like I said, met. Last position already running and still running on 160, and still looks like it wants to go short. I'd say 6 times our APO only on CAD CHF. On New Zealand dollar CAD, at the beginning of the week, we saw price couldn't go all the way down to our verified support area. We saw our higher settings trend line broken, and again with our nice setup, many of you took it on this retracement or even this retracement with 25 pips of an APO. Price is already 150, 57, whatever. So again, 6 times our APO here. Price is still moving. You see my higher settings much more better with my trend line break here. Higher setting setups appear also, and we are still going for our retracement all the way up to this area. Even with an M12 you can make 270 pips. You only have to stay, for those who are in this trade, just stay in. We already have an entry on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We will discuss about it later. Also in oil, we saw a very powerful retracement after a reaction, and again with higher settings, of course, entries on volatile pairs, we are going a little bit higher. 97, okay, 100 pips. You see again, we had, of course, the room to create our win-win scenario. If you have taken incremental profits till this point and left your last position running as always, or as you should, you would be now with 500 pips with your last position, and trail your APO as always will have locked you will have locked profits anyway. On GBP CAD, our classic combination, M24 trendline break, bounce on a major resistance, our first opportunity as always. We took it. This we're talking about 50 pips of an APO. Many of you also took this trade. Lower risk, we always suggest lower risk because of the GBP pairs aren't settled down yet. And already last position running with 400 pips. More than 8 times our APO on GBP CAD only. We can go to New Zealand dollar, US dollar. This is the trade that we took in our live room. All the trades are not possible to be taken live, but we had some pending orders here. Again, our combination here, our filters were met. We saw the opportunity. We already have our first target met. My last position is still running 40. You can trail your APO if you want to. We will discuss about this Monday morning anyway. And you can see price is going for my second target, and my third target, of course, as always, is aiming the sky. Another pair that I would like to remind you is Aussie Yen. In Aussie Yen, we are short already for some time now, probably for a month. We are talking about a position still running for 370 pips. We have trailed our APO for 200 pips, locked profits. APO means account protection order. We don't like to call it stop loss because these are two negative things. And as you can see, my last position is targeting 1,300, 1,500 pips. Why not? I'm still in. I have nothing to lose. Actually, I'm already a winner with a lot of pips. Why should I close my position? And this is what we are talking about. Last position is make the difference. It doesn't matter if I get stopped out in a couple of trades. It happens. Of course, it happens because it's part of the game. But with our last position still running, this compensates everything and more. Now, with the pairs that we discussed, we had 25 times our APO in total, 1,200 plus pips in profit. So again, as always, focus on your top-down approach. Yes, you will get stopped out. It doesn't matter. Treat it like you give something back in the market, and next time you will take it twice or three times that. Just focus, keep calm, and stick to the rules. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again as always Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody.